In today's experiment, we are going to make a candy waterfall. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fun with Bhuvika. So today we are going to do one experiment in my ultimate science kit. We are going to do the candy waterfall, but before we start, let's take out the stuff we need. Let's take out the materials from our toolkit. We don't need our ultimate science kit for now. I will keep it aside. So we need the candy waterfall, our mini waterfall, and I would say measuring cylinder, spatula, and a spinel waist, a cup. So now let's take out the material from our science kit. Baking soda, citric acid, yeast, and colors. We need red color, blue color, and yellow color. Materials from home: water or liquid soap or dishwashing soap. So we took 5 ml soap and some water. We need 50 ml water. Now we have all the materials required. Now let's start with the experiment. Yes. First step. Add half a scoop of each of baking soda on top of the basins of the waterfall. Let's take our baking soda. Then spread 1 scoop of baking soda evenly in the bottom basin of the waterfall. Step 2. Add 10 drops of blue color in one of the top basins and 10 drops of yellow color in the other top basin. Add 10 drops of red color on the bottom basin of the waterfall. Take a cup. Got a cup. Add 50 ml water. And water down. Add 5 ml of liquid soap. I already added. That's why it's yellow. And 1 scoop of citric acid. 1 scoop. And now time to mix very well. Step number 4. Slowly pour the contents of the cup inside the top hole of the waterfall. Now let's pour the water. Slowly. Slow. Let's learn the science behind this experiment. The different colors are added in the separate basins of the waterfall. The reaction between the citric acid and baking soda combined with the soap produces a candy-like waterfall. This is due to each basin of the waterfall producing its own colored foam. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, subscribe to my channel.